The desert treated both sides of the war equally harshly. Sunstorms brought our equipment to a standstill. Sickness depleted our ranks. What fuels hadn't been sabotaged by one side or the other provided barely enough water to survive the sweltering heat. The Germans put on theater shows to distract the soldiers. The British drank their tea and played chess. Both armies' resources were stretched too thin. Every drop of fuel was precious, and the fox became a scavenger.
In desert warfare, it all comes down to fuel and water. Berlin wants a task force sent to Benghazi, but I have other plans. We are not wasting our resources on a meaningless spritz tour. We are taking them from the British when they least expect it. The main force responsible for this British outpost is out on patrol. It is currently guarded only by reserve forces, making this the perfect chance for a raid. The few British troops left to guard the area will be concentrated around the fuel tanks, waiting for the imminent return of their main patrol. Therefore, once we have destroyed enough of their resources to justify this incursion, we must leave before the patrol returns. We will meet at this rendezvous point along the road to the north. Needless to say, we have little access to reinforcements of our own, so we must make this a lean, fast, and destructive operation.
Commandant, we hear you!
Our primary targets are the fuel tanks in this outpost.
Make it quick!
They are highly explosive, so attack them at a safe distance. Do not miss the chance to destroy any armored or transportation vehicles as well.
Order Panzergrenadiers relocating.
Can't play this war on our orders for us. Vehicle is ready.
Panzergrenade, lower your weight, men.
Problems, we have answers. Panzer pioneers! Quick march!
I've received word from our Signals Battalion. The British patrol is on its way back. We must finish our business before they get here.
Out and clear, Commandant! With Pioneer receiving you!
Light vehicles! Under fire! Enemy infantry!
The enemy is come here! Catch them in the open! What do you need? Grenadiers, closing distance! Engage on sight! Forward! Move! Pick up those feet! Grab the 18! Let's put it to use! There's gonna be out of pump! Open up! Grenadiers! Loud and clear, Commandant!
Accommodation! Just what we deserve!
Take cover! Enemy troops taken care of! Coordinates received! Let them come! Now!
Enemy infantry is no more!
Fight! All of you! With me! Commander! Grab the 18! Let's put it to use! Following orders! Get to work!
Consider it a on fire bomb infantry!
Come on, men. Let's get to it.
Like a sweet deal now, huh?
I hope they didn't hit something important!
Enemies getting closer than us!
What do you move? Vehicle taking fire! Enemy squad cut down!
What do you need? We shall get it down, men!
and clear! Light them up!
We have a conspiracy!
Jawohl!
Orders!
We have the honor! Command us!
Ready! We're looking for any trouble we can find!
Panzerpioneers, stand ready! Initiate repairs!
Hands down! No survivors! Panzergrenadiers, close the distance!
We've done what we can.
My Panzergrenadiers can handle it!
Enemy infantry met their match!
Get to it!
Ask for us!
Von Fayetteville! Bring them down! Commanders! We can handle it! The Fox, we've got this, don't we, men?
What we pulled up and moving.
Panzergrenadiers standing by.
Weapons and fire! Pioniere, what?
We'll get there!
No more ceremony!
That's it, men! Push up!
The war effort needs us!
What do you need?
Panzer Pioneers, stand ready!
Ready. Willing have ahead.
Enemy patrol!
Steal away! Dust down!
Use your sidearm if you have to!
Don't be clear! Ordnance received! Marching! With haste! Have to hold! Flash! Come down!
We have vehicles available in reserve.
Looking for any trouble we can find! What do you need? Enemy troops taking fire! Engage from sight! Forward! Grab the AT! Let's put it to use! What's in front of me? It will be ours once more!
Down and clear!
Enemy forward! Enemy! What the making contact with the enemy! Take my car! That's how we like it! My men are veterans! Panzergrenadiers ready!
Infantry! Right there!
Grab the AT! Let's put it to use!
Pioneers have the enemy squad down!
Get to it, Panzergrenadiers!
The Signals Battalion reports that the British patrol is halfway back. Proceed with caution and speed.
Say the word!
Commander! Shoulder
Enemy
those
infantry
heads!
closing on us!
Can't take any more hits like that! My crew is controlled!
Make it clear, Commandant!
Made of ammunition, you know!
My gentlemen! Welcome to the front!
Get us the fuck out of here! We hit from all sides!
Infantry squad down!
See to these men!
Panzergrenadiers away! Panzergrenadiers close the distance!
Pioneers! Hey! Panzer, fix it! No excuses!
What do you need? Panzergrenadiers! Shifting target! Right, all of you! With me! Enemy troopers are pushing the line!
Come on,
Prepare
take
staff!
off!
Hold up!
Don't do it again!
Fire and move!
Working on weapons here.
Full of fire!
Come on,
Jerry!
Try again!
Move! Pick up the speed! Marching! Panzergrenadiers await orders! Panzergrenadiers ready!
Pioniere, ready!
Enemy troops taking kill! What do you need? Looking for any trouble we can fight! Enemy infantry killed! Say the Panzer Grenadiers, closing distance! You have something for us? Ready for war? Pass me that gauze!
Driver, on the double, eh?
Orders? Looks like you had a lucky escape.
The Foxes are isolating targets first, then consolidate to cover. We have a job to do, men. Orders in. Commencing attack. Take it steady. Don't have the time. Don't move. Pick up those feet.
Eyes open! We're moving on patrol. Driver, back in your seat.
Hey, let's go find some trouble.
Get us in gear! Go! Fucking move this thing!
Say the word there.
Medical vehicle installed. Go, get us there! Vehicle moving! Jawohl! Achtung! Vehicle here! Infantry engaged! Go!
What is it needed? The wire needs us. Enemy troops taking kill.
You must go!
Attack!
Enemy infantry is no more!
This is it!
Confirm heading. I'll get us there.
met their match! Commandant, hold it at Let's put it to use!
Panzerbrei following orders for us!
Panzer Grenadiers await orders! Orders in moving into skirmish formation!
Orders pushing forward. On alert.
Enemy infantry is no
What do you
more!
need? Taking enemy territory! With haste! Grab the AT! Let's put it to use! Neutralize that location!
Fucking fire! Enemy squad cut down!
Panzer Grenadiers awaiting at the
The British patrol is almost upon us. Beeilung!
Commander! Fucking move this thing!
Our victory will be ours!
All fuel tanks have been destroyed. Our main objective is now complete. We must now start heading to the rendezvous point.
Move! Driver! Move, driver! Move!
Ready, Hamilton! Good! Say the word! Red rain! Fire!
Problem. We have us.
Sound it clear, Commandant! Coordinates received!
Every vehicle in this outpost has now been destroyed. No stone is left unturned by the Afrika Corps.
The Grenadiers standing by. Everything in order.
Panzer forward.
Medical vehicle relocating. Medical vehicle installed. Moving to location. On the double.
Ready for orders.
Coordinates received, Commandant.
Say what you want about building bridges. Satisfying work.
Go, get us there! Medical vehicle relocating.
Fox's
Yes.
finest. Here.
What do you need? Voice. We
Ready.
have movement
Willing and
orders.
able.
All troops accounted for. Now follow me out of this hell. The British supply line will be severely impacted without this fuel. Let us see if they can handle it as well as we did in the past. In early July, Australian forces attacked an intelligence outpost that had been relaying every detail of British troop movements to the Germans. Rommel's reputation had grown larger than the man himself. But now,
The Allies had finally solved the mystery of his apparent genius. However, the SS had arrived in North Africa with orders to follow Rommel and extend the persecution of Jews east, across Egypt, and beyond. The Allies would get their breakthrough, but it would come too late for my family.
ما كان كنيا إنا إقصاخير نفتو خلا